Hey starlets, if you ain't a starlet, then you need to hit that subscribe button right now. So I'm gonna be doing my favorite quick weave style for you guys using this Kinky Perm here that I got from my local beauty supply. See, I already have my braids put in, my little struggle braids. But that's all fine because the braids don't have to be perfect. But I will say the better the braids, the better your foundation is for your weave. So since I'm only gonna have this in this week, I really don't care for my braids to be super good. So the first thing I do is apply a stocking cap. Over the years of wearing quick weaves, I just found that this really protects, add like the protection layer between my hair and the glue so that the glue doesn't pull my hair out. So you're going to want to measure your first piece as close to the bottom of the stocking cap as possible from side to side. You'll then cut that piece and then apply an even layer of hair glue all across your weft. Now take that and apply it as straight as possible to its defined position. And then I'll rub my fingers over the track a few times just to secure it. If you like, you could use a blow dryer for faster drying. And I was on the phone running my mouth, y'all, so don't mind me just chatting away. So you'll just keep laying the tracks evenly until you reach the top where your leave out is. Typically I do about 4 or 5 tracks in the back, and I did only use one pack in this tutorial because I just wanted it to have a really natural look, and this hair is kinky, so it really blends well with my natural hair, and a lot isn't needed for me. When I get to the sides and the top, I don't apply the weft directly on my edges because of course I don't want them to be pulled out. I need those when the weave come out. So next is to cut the stocking cap, and if you need clips to pull the hair back, that way you can clip as much as the cap off that's visible as possible, that would help. Be careful when you get to this part. If you want to give it a good brush, go ahead, but I hope my tracks, since it is a fresh install and I don't want anything to slip just yet. And then you go ahead and work on your leave out. I use 2 products on mine. And that was the Creme-of-Nature Shine Mist. I'll leave the products down in the description box below. Just simply flat iron your natural hair and blend it into your weave. So to finish my hair off, I put Got to Be wax on my natural hair because I'm naturally 4C, and the slightest mist or anything is gonna frizz it back up. So this is what it looks like, and it's really thick and waxy, so I don't use a lot, just enough. So that's like the final seal with my quick weaves. That just lets me know my hair is not gonna frizz up or anything, and I won't have to flat iron it for a few days. So I laid my little edges down, and you can't tell me nothing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, of course subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss a notification when I post. But until the next video, I will see you guys.